I'll just want to quickly first talk about a few outcomes of this great event that we had and what impact it will have on us, what we need to do and what is in future. The first part that happened, in fact on very first day, on 19th afternoon, we had what is called as Distinguished Alumni Event. As you know, IIT has a Distinguished Alumni, and every year 4 or 5 every IIT adds. So we had 350 kind of number all over the world. So we had a good presence in this DA event which was held, and our focus was, as Sun said, we have done projects about which Arjun will talk and I will also briefly mention, have started now. But we wanted to do something different apart from scaling the existing projects, which is important, which we are going to spend in fact most of our time next year. But we wanted to do something which is lacking in Indian scenario compared to, let us say, US, was to have some kind of think tank, some kind of policy paper that IIT should come forward with, and then we can influence policymakers, government. I think we have a power here, we have a respect here, we have a connections and network here. We need to leverage it to make things happen in this country which impact IIT and society. So with that in mind, we had a what is called as DA events theme, was how do we form think tanks, how do we come out with policy papers. That was the subject. And I'm very glad to tell you that large number of people came, heated discussions happened, and we have decided on 6 themes on which we are going to work next few months. We have set our own deadlines, and you will hear more as we go along, but the 6 themes on which we are going to come out with policy papers, hopefully throughout the year, is first is technical education, and it includes all of it, from vocational to technical education to IIT education and so on. The second one, which is important to all of us, is IIT governance and other issues, how we can emulate the best of the best in the world and remain competitive, as I was telling on first day. So that is second. So there is a second group formed to look at that. The third group which was formed to look at was entrepreneurship, which is very, very important to all of us here. Some of you might have attended session yesterday, and we have formed a group to look at what IITians can do, or what Pan IIT can do, and what government can do to make entrepreneurship happen. So that is the third thing. The fourth one, which we took up, was research ecosystem, and there was a discussion here also. And research ecosystem is going to be driven by one group. Then we had a group which was basically working on, I covered actually five things that I covered: entrepreneurship, technical education, then the IIT governance, research ecosystem, and the last one I'm just trying to, sorry? Yeah, sorry, yes, I missed, my apologies. Affirmative action was the last one, and I'm very glad that Mr. Muthuraman of Tata Steel was very forthright, and he had some issues in terms of how we can do it, and he has taken very great lead in making that happen. So for each of these things we have leaders, and we have formed a group, and Pan IIT is going to work on this. To me, it's a very important new thing that we are doing this year, and I'm really looking forward that we come out with policy papers which have some impact. And my request to all of you is, all this effort doesn't happen without volunteers from all IITians. So anyone who wants to participate in these groups and wants to contribute as some thoughts in any of them, please get in touch with Ashok Kalbag, who is Secretary General, and he is sitting right, in fact, here on the first row, I think, and he will be able to connect you up with these groups. So please make this successful by your contribution too. But I think this is something important part, and I'm looking forward to think tank becoming a big part of Pan IIT as we move along over many, many years. Thanks.